Smart touchscreen control panel. Voltmeter and ammeter. Auto blanket alignment system. Pneumatic pressure. Explosion-proof system. Main motor. Rack driver. Reduce the fume inside the chassis. Long service time. Nomex felt for uniform printing. Air filter pressure regulator gauge. Manually separate blanket from drum. Lifted device to lift machine. High quality torque tester for very big roll paper, had to make sure long service time. Air shaft for rewinding sublimation paper. Air shaft sublimation paper. Expanding roller for opening fabric. Roll fabric basket and fabric rollers. Operation demo. For tissue paper. Get tissue paper into drum. Take up tissue paper. Adjust tension of tissue paper. Put sublimation paper. Put fabric. Get fabric into drum. Take up fabric. Put sublimation paper into drum. Take up waste sublimation paper. Adjust tension of sublimation paper. Sublimation result.